Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today we'll make one of my favorite recipe, that's butter chicken. Let's get started. We definitely need butter and chicken, but the other important part is tomatoes. We need lots of tomatoes. Let's look at the ingredients. We will start with tomatoes, butter and fresh cream, few onions, soaked cashews, some curd, ginger and garlic paste, red chili powder, Garam Masala and dried Fenugreek or Kasoori Methi, and some chicken. I am using thighs, boneless. Let's marinate the chicken with curd, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and Garam Masala. Roughly chop the onions. Chopping the tomatoes roughly. Make a fine paste of cashew nut. Let's take a pan and we'll pour some oil and butter. Now that the chicken is marinated for 30 to 40 minutes, we will fry the chicken. Flip or turn in regular intervals. Once it is 70% cooked, we'll pull it out from the pan. We will roast the chicken in open fire. If you have a tandoor or barbecue at home, feel free to use that. This gives a nice smoky flavor. Repeat the same process for all the chicken pieces. Now we will take the same pan and add some butter. Now drop the onions. Give it a toss, my favorite part. Once the onions are slightly cooked, put the tomatoes. Add some salt. Give it a good mix. Add some water, about 3/4 cup, and cover it. Continue the process for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the tomato and onions are mushy, we can turn off the heat and keep it aside. Let it cool before you blend it. We will strain the blended mixture directly to the pan. Add some more butter and the cashew paste. From now on, you might have to stir very frequently. Be careful of these bubbles. This is the time to check the salt. Add a little bit of sugar if you want. Now that the gravy is thick, we will add some fresh cream and Kasoori Methi. Give it a quick mix and then drop the chicken pieces. The chicken might have released some juices. Make sure you add that too. Mix it well, and it's ready. Enjoy it with any kind of rice or bread of your choice. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.